Hello students, let's study what are the differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Those organisms in which prokaryotic cell is present, all organisms are called prokaryotes, and those organisms in which eukaryotic cell is present are called eukaryotes. Prokaryotes such as bacteria and archaea, eukaryotes plants, animals and fungi. These all are eukaryotes organisms. In the case of eukaryotes, nuclear envelope is present. This is a eukaryotic animal cell and it's a nucleus. And this is a prokaryotic cell. There is no any nucleus, but instead of nucleus, nuclide is present. You can see this is a nuclide, and this nuclide is actually DNA, which is the naked nuclide is present in the case of prokaryotic cell. It means in prokaryotic cell there is nuclide is present instead of nucleus. No nuclear membrane, other organelles are present, just like in the case of eukaryotic cell. This is a nucleus, is a structure of nucleus, and in this structure there is chromatin network and other cellular organelles are present in the case of eukaryotic cells. This is a eukaryotic animal cell. You can observe the nucleus here is a definite nucleus, ribosomes, these all organelles are present. These are the ribosomes also present in the case of mitochondria.